How to fix Telegram story posting issues. If you are unable to post stories on Telegram, check your app version and update it if necessary. Telegram regularly updates story features. Ensure your internet connection is stable and try restarting the app. If stories still don't upload, clear cache from Telegram settings. If you are in a group or channel, check if stories are enabled for your account type and if you have permission to post. Stories expire after 24 hours, so if your story is not visible, it might have expired. Do you enjoy using Telegram stories? Tell us know your favorite feature in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.